Good morning, guys. Bonnie Chronicles, babe. Good morning, family. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Simplicity is Tea. I am ToriDenise. If you are new, go ahead and pause this video, hit that subscription button, and click the notification bell so you can get an update when I drop another vlog. And if you, welcome back, y'all know how we doing. So this is my second year in Texas, and kind of like my third year in Dallas, but I'm gonna have to get on that story one day. But technically this is my second year, full year. November will make 2 years, but this is my second year in Dallas, and this is the second time it done snowed around the same time of the year. Tomorrow is baby's birthday, so we're actually keeping a lookout for the flights right now. So far nothing is delayed, so he will be coming in tomorrow, but he's definitely going to switch his flight for a later time. However, I'm still up here thinking I got my AirPods. My AirPods don't work. Well, they dead right now. So let me put my phone over here. But let me show y'all something. Y'all know how they like to make your good sis work too. In this shit. Look at this. And they expect a bitch to come to work. My boss took my sub. I'm just gonna drive slowly. Yeah, you gonna drive slow, right? Slow on that motherfucking pole. Y'all, no lie, it's beautiful. It's popping me in my face and my camera. It's beautiful. However, I didn't move out here for this. This is second year. Look, they driving. Ooh. They almost turned. But it's like the second year. It is snowing. And he want me to come to work. I love my boss. He is very dedicated because he said he gonna drive rain, hail, sleet, snow. Tori on the other hand, I'm not doing. But it's all good. Y'all look at my feet. My little chair. These little chairs done been frozen. They done been through it, y'all. They done got burnt up. Child. I done had these chairs for 2 years now. It's time to upgrade. Look at this. Oh shit, that hurt. Baby, she ain't going nowhere. I mean, but for the most part, come back. Bring back. For the most part though, it's not as bad as it was. I honestly feel like Texas, Dallas in particular, probably was ahead of the game this time. So y'all was prepared. He naked. Sir. Don't you go out there with no shirt on. Go put some clothes on. Go put some clothes on. I'm about to come out here. Kay tried to come out here with his drawers and a shirt. He tripping, ain't it? Y'all, so I was supposed to make banana pudding. My bananas done got, they're not rotten. These, I'm still gonna use them. Shoot, make that banana pudding today. Cause I got a feeling they're gonna send us home early today. They're gonna send us home early for zero fucking reason. Good morning, sticker boy. He is not a stew. Look at him. You trying to go out there? What's up? Trying to go out there? Well, I gotta get ready for work, but you can. It might not be out there when I get off. So I'm about to get dressed now for work. I'm not getting cute, but we're gonna throw some jeans on, and I dare you to say something to me about wearing some jeans at work. I honestly just want to get on here and show y'all the snow because, well, ice, cause that ain't snow. But Dallas, I need y'all to get it together. It was just 81 last week. It was just 75, 81. What y'all got going on? Look at the only downside to this is my taco place is next door, and I know for a fact they not coming. They not pulling up. I'm sad. I want some tacos today, but I'll probably make my own tacos. Look at all that dog poop down there. They don't never clean up behind themselves, and it shows. That is so ridiculous and disgusting. Them ain't no acorns. Let me get ready for this.
About the first 4 units this afternoon, but
Alright, y'all. So, as you guys can see, work calls. Not that I'm vlogging. I'm on the phone with G as well in my ear. But yes guys, I am walking, getting ready to walk the property. I guess this is kind of like a mini week with me, day with me. I don't know, child. We didn't plan this, but hey, all content is good content to me. Well, on my channel. I'm in the elevator. This elevator we cannot use, but I'm staffed, so I can use it. They be pissed too. They be so hurt because this elevator is legit right inside the parking garage. So y'all, they gotta get out their car and drive and walk through that door and go to that elevator. I don't know why this door y'all look at my car, bro. Marcus is so dirty right now. My car's name is Marcus, by the way. Hey, Mark. Tink. Christian did this when I was getting ready to move to Texas. Hit G's best friend. One of G's best friends was washing my vehicle, and he gonna let Christian take the pressure washer and put it up there. So Marcus a little snag-a-tooth right now, but see, I gotta get a Texas plate. So I'm gonna just put the plate on that side. I know it's gonna be cricket, but it is what it is. And then I don't know what the hell? They just be dinging up my little baby. They just be dinging up my little child. I can't never keep nothing. Walking the property, y'all, to make sure everything looks good, because it's literally just me here today. Because I live close. Ooh. Hold on. I came to my car for a reason though. It's cold in this parking garage, I know that much. Shit. When I say it is freezing, baby, I ain't said on this boy, they moving. I'm about to go downstairs so I can. Why are you moving with shorts? I'm saying something to y'all. I'm gonna get a damn raise, promotion, or something, because the things that I go through for this particular property. He said, first floor, trash room. Like, you guys have no idea. I ain't even been on this side. That's crazy. Anyway. Whew, yeah. I don't know nothing about no putting no salt on no driveway. This is beyond ghetto. I don't know what to do. And this is the driveway. Yeah, I don't get paid enough for this.
But it should be fine as long as people like.
Gosh, maybe I should get the shovel. So my hands are cold. I am cold. I'm about to go take a shower because this is ghetto. I gotta walk to the 8th floor and I gotta use the bathroom too. And these residents, they keep them wanting to use the elevator. I mean, not the elevator. They gonna slip and slide down there, right into the wall. I don't understand. Why y'all just can't sit y'all at home? Hey, what Sheila say, y'all? I'm going up here. I'm going up here to save my marriage. Morning. I hit myself on my chin or something. Hello, Christian. There's G.
Yo, yo.
Jax, we got a puppy. Jax. 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 Jax don't want to talk to y'all. Say hey to YouTube. Hi, man. Hi, Jaxie. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, YouTube. Yeah, come on. I'm about to take Christian to the schoolhouse. Well, to the bus stop. Because the school was delayed 2 hours due to the snowstorm. Huh? Huh? What? Come on, tell me why we got all the way to the bus stop and school closed. Now, Chris, why would you do that? You gonna slip. Chill out now. You gonna bust your head. It's slippery right there, too.
This is like
Little Jax.
this is like being on a skateboard. So.
He's trying to see what's going on, child. But yeah, y'all, the school closed, so me and Babe about to get tacos. Something on I hate this dye. I'm about to get a new lens at this point. You ready? You pee-pee? You pee-pee? Good job, you got a treat? You got a treat? You got your treat? Well, Jack's baby got his treat. Oh, he stinks. So now we about to go in the house. Me and Bae are we are about to eat our dump truck surf and turf nachos. If you guys
Bag it up and dump it. How I go?
Go ahead.
I forgot how I go.
What?
The dump truck song. Bag it up and dump it. Bag it up.
I didn't know it was a song. I thought you was making it up.
Oh, you tripping.
Oh.
You tripping.
I didn't know that was a song.
You don't know that song?
No. Is that country? Oh my god. Anyways, y'all. I'm guessing that's a song. Didn't know that. But we are about to eat our dump truck surf and turf nachos. If you guys follow me on my social media pages, I I posted a reel of all the ingredients that I used and how everything turned out. This time we used 2 different cheeses, and we added a little bit more, you know, to it. But we are about to eat and enjoy our meal. His birthday was Wednesday. Papa is 30.
21.
He's 30.
21.
Yeah, whatever. And you know the queen is still in her 20s, so Puriana. So yeah. But I just wanted to hop on here. We're about to watch Last Chance U. If y'all are y'all familiar with Last Chance U? If y'all watch Last wait, I sound country. Last. Christian think everything funny, y'all. Mike, can you give me
I
that?
don't think it will. Hold on.
Bro, you was on that.
Why
Man,
she,
stop.
why she kind of look like that girl with the long hair from the ring?
Oh.
Like she was
Yeah.
like, bro, I thought she was gonna go like
Yeah.
Look at her.
I should gonna go. I should gonna go. Okay. Do it again.
Bro look like a helicopter doing
Boy, you get hula hoop with your head, boy. Ooh, that boy head said screws.
Yeah, I gotta wash clothes.
Yeah, I already clean. You washed it.
I mean, not wash clothes, fold clothes. But anywho, this is my family, and I'm gonna let my son have it because he don't know I have the upper hand all the time. He likes to play his game all the time. I'll take it away. But yes, y'all, we're about to eat, and I don't know, I was about to talk to y'all about Last Chance U. Like, if y'all familiar with Last Chance U, that's one of the things that, you know, that's one of the things that connected me and G. We be dying laughing. What was the one that we watched that was the boys? One of the
Basketball
boys.
boys.
Man, he
It
was
was about
so
the
ass.
season with the basketball team out in LA.
Out of LA, man. He was big with a nasty attitude.
Real big.
Really? Get out.
He's
Jack.
sniffing it.
Sniff. Christian, go to bed. Go to bed.
What?
This boy said he's sniffing it.
He's sniffing it.
My
Yeah, your hair.
that man said I got weave, y'all. He said this ain't my hair. Man, I paid for it. Jackson sold my man.
I didn't say it wasn't your hair.
Say what up. Say what up. Say what up. Why? Bite it off. Ooh.
Yo, Christian is a mess. He got his haircut today. He looks so handsome.
He sure do. He got a nice cut. My boy Jax got cut up.
Boy, shut up, G. What's up, G? Damn!
You got a pimple on your forehead.
I know.
And it's shiny, shiny.
Good night. Good morning, guys. It's February 27th. And I have clinicals this morning. I wasn't going to go, but I was like, girl, go ahead and get it out the way so I can get back home, go to the gym, take a shower and shoot my vlog, my cooking vlog for today, guys. This right here, this little portion is going in the recap. Cause I just don't have time. Y'all, what the heck? So I told Christian to fold clothes. He threw my scrubs up here, but what are scrub bottoms? Look at him. He's so lazy. Just lazy. That don't make no sense. How you throw all the drawers in one cubby? This ain't even, the drawers don't even go in here. I'm gonna have to organize my closet too. That was one thing. I went ahead and did my work early for school so I could shoot some more content this week, especially cleaning out this closet. Look, y'all. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, about to prepare myself for clinicals. I'm only gonna be there for an hour, so I might as well knock it out. Hey y'all, me and Christian came out here to the pool. Look at him.
Do you want to think about taking Jax here?
Yeah. Dogs can't come out here though.
I was thinking about it, but I didn't realize.
He's so ashy.
It's cold.
Look at that, powdered.
Put your hand in there.
Oh, it is cold.
It's that hot, but it's that cold.
It is a beautiful day though.
It's cold.
You gotta keep your body in there so you can warm up to it. I am sitting out here. I guess about to work on my computer. I would sit smack dead in the sun, but y'all know I don't like being cold, so. Tomorrow is going to be a busy day. I'm going to do some campaign work with my fashion and all that. Not fashion. No, it is fashion because spring is coming up. March is Wednesday, so definitely got to drop some campaign stuff for sure. And then let's figure out what else I gotta do. Somebody calling me. No, I had plans on, I'm talking YouTube, I had plans on trying to like save money to like start decorating my my apartment, but it's just like it's really pointless because we gonna be upgrading, so it's kind of like, should I just wait until you get here?
What you say, baby?
Man, y'all. I told y'all, G don't listen to me. Y'all think I be playing.
I knew you was vlogging. I had called my homeboy on my iPad real quick.
Oh, look at Christian, y'all. He's so lame. What are you doing?
Can you go like, you see that little window right there? Can
Uh-huh.
you go over that?
Can you go over? Can I?
No, can me. Like, can
Yeah. But be careful. Yeah, Christian don't know how to swim, y'all. He ain't finna go nowhere. I know how to swim though, so just in case. But they ain't but look, he look like Spider-Man.
Clutch.
the set, like we can have like a whole bar. And you know, I got my license to bartend. And we could decorate. And then I thought about this area right here. I can move these chairs. What you think?
Yeah, I think that's possible.
I can move these chairs and rent out a white table. Y'all need to know all my birthday plans, so let me pause the video. I'm not gonna get copyright because it's playing that music in the bed, but this is so random. Like, just me being outside, being able to just enjoy the weather out here in Dallas has been ass. Ice storm, rain. It rained every time G come home, so I don't know. Huh?
Hold on real quick.
Yeah. Y'all gotta look at Christian. It is hilarious. Like, I'm trying not to make it obvious, but it is so funny. I don't know what he's doing over there. That boy trying to get comfortable. Okay, get a little something. He said he trying to get chocolate, period. You know I like chocolate babies. Okay, get comfortable. Okay. Oh. My boy said he gonna catch the sun. My boy said sunbathing at his finest. I know that's right. This is stuff that they be playing on TV right now. Outside this town. I mean, but we are grown. So, I mean, I guess, I don't know.